Right? Brand new trick. Not that dumb. No way. Here's the trick for real. I'm going to balance on top of this trunk here, on top of this wheel, on top of my skateboard. The balance up here, juggling the chainsaw, weighs 15 pounds. In addition to all of this, right before the show, I put a Rubik's Cube down my pants and I'm going to solve during the trick. A quick survey at this point in time, how many people think I should have gone to college? Yeah, my parents agree. How many people think I should have gone to high school? I did for like 9 years. That's how I got this job. All right. Have a great year at school here, you guys. Enjoy your college experience. And if I don't see you around again, have great lives. It was fun hanging out with you for a bit. And here we go, the crazy news.